Before you spend $1,500 or more replacing your catalytic converter, watch this. If your OBD2 scanner is showing a P0430 code, it doesn't always mean your converter is bad. Often, it's just a faulty oxygen sensor sending false readings to your engine's computer. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose the real issue and replace the sensor yourself, saving you hundreds of dollars in the process. Let's get started. By swapping out that faulty oxygen sensor, you can resolve the P0430 error code yourself. No expensive shop visit required. The P0430 code means your catalyst system efficiency is below threshold for bank 2. Essentially, your catalytic converter isn't cleaning the exhaust gases as it should, causing your vehicle to release more harmful pollutants than normal. If you're dealing with a P0430 error code, this video will show you a practical, hands-on solution to fix it yourself, right at home. Now, carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Once it's out, perform a thorough visual inspection. Check the electrical connections, the wire harness, and the metal tabs for any signs of corrosion, fraying, or physical damage. If you spot any signs of damage or heavy corrosion, don't waste time trying to clean it. Simply replace the oxygen sensor with a new one to ensure the fix is permanent. This is a practical way to fix that P0430 code and save significantly on your car maintenance costs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Our team of mechanics will be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more expert tips. Thanks for watching.